we are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing words, some of the most mispronounced ones in fact in English, so make sure to stay tuned for those. So how do you say it? Well, the British and the American pronunciations are different. So in British English, this is said as longitude. You do want to stress on the long syllable, the first one. Yes, it's the long syllable, longitude. So you have a ch sound here, tude sound as the last syllable. In American English, however, it is normally said as longitude, longitude. So a j sound has the second syllable rather than a g sound, and then a proper t sound. Longitude in American English versus longitude in British English. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.